We want to teach the
Melody Mzariri, I'm there for him.
We want to teach the
I'm there again.
take their regards down. As we to get every MDC to go to hell right now.
Why do you want to teach MDC to go to hell?
As a Zimbabwean, I want to plead to everybody who has been highlighted to go to the meeting
Mr. President,
MDC Chingadia Councillor of Harare to shun that idea.
Mr. President,
We must go home and remain
Mr. President,
our
intelligence,
country and our roads.
intelligence, Mr.
No
President, intelligence
people
Mr. President.
in Second Avenue and Fourth Avenue, everywhere in Mbare. They must concentrate their service at Kambuzuma or National Sports Stadium. We regard all FGCs.
Even Mr. President,
Wow,
you know many
fun.
You know him, man.
So what's the protocol?
You know him.
Silverstone. The protocol is if you cut your party, your camera, me and Nito know that MDC situation must end.
He's a man of principle. Mr. President. Even the president, you know him.
But there's a PC.
You know
with ZANU-PF.
MDC.
Even the president, you wanna know him.
You as a PC or ZANU-PF.
You know Melody Mzari. You know him very better. If you were talking, you know Melody Mzari.
Those people
he's someone intelligent, someone intellectual. Talk to me when to Romania or Komana, when to Romania. Intelligence, when to Romania. Hey, Melody Mzari, I'm there for you.
But DC is not something. We are talking of ZANU-PF. We are talking about your interaction going in terms of our black supremacists and as well as our white supremacists. My name is Scott.
You know,
Regional
I talk politics
right now.
Politics.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I want to
So why would you pass name DC? Why would you pass name DC?
Yeah, this is a real fire.
The PC.
From Canada, original. But if you are talking about something,
But wakapfeka t-shirt red, kabisa t-shirt.
Tell me on politics.
T-shirt here, red. You know, Raza, we are the red square. We don't allow oppression in terms of our
generation
in terms of even
see the general
puppets.
Oh, it's moving like this.
Skyscrapers
General.
to remove themselves from my
I want to tell you like
women is Gweja. I've got power to manipulate women's league of ZANU-PF. And I can tell you, we hope that if Mado and the regional sound station,
I know politics.
To go to Congo.
Unaona Congo?
Yeah, man. If you're selectable idea, to get us to Chantemba, to get a woman, to be very honest, ZANU-PF must destroy all people from Zimbabwe as regional sound station. Yeah. Gweja alongside the one called Comrade Morris.
Yeah. I want to Melody Mzari. This was a fighter. He was a fighter. We see a liberation struggle.
Yeah.
Melody Mzari, he do for this country. He do it for this country.
We enjoy his money.
Yeah, we enjoy it for Melody Mzari.
We are
big up for him.
Protas.
Even protocol is even protocol is ZANU-PF. was a big of ZANU-PF. Even Madam Zari, he played a big role. He played a big role in ZANU-PF.
Yeah.
They remember him. They remember him.
Ndofu and the comrade Zipoto. Zipoto basket. We all
the great,
the best.
Those guys, they always speak of that mango tree. If we're gonna go to that tree,
Our politics.
we're gonna go to that tree.
We are going
Where they will sit, Madam Zari, James Makamba, all those big guys. Those big guys.
We want to tell all the Canadian speech or all the Zimbabwean speech or even the American speech, even the British,
the
Canadians
was a big guy. He was a big guy internal.
people from Russia, they want to rush it up.
It was a big guy internal.
That is, we are going straight to Toyota. My friend, we will start Toyota. Without yes.
Oh, Zidek. Why? Zidek is there also. Zidek. On your funeral, on your father.
Going
Zidek was
Toyota or Nissan.
He played
This is ZANU-PF 2015 October the 3rd of October. We are directing our regards to Toyota and Nissan that mare yenyika ngaisimudzire nyika ino isaparare. Komare chombo ngativape kutenda kusanganisira kasukuwere vanhu vanobatanidza ma-MDC ese achigara pasi. ZANU-PF ichiramba yakangomira pamberi ngatipe kutenda kuna Kuda mupati mao ZANU-PF.
Savior, do you remember me? Savior, I was in Bradley Secondary School. I was there with you. We're doing all
Parliament and many God.
Savior,
That is the original sound station.
If you are a minister, I'm down. Uplifting me. Me, I live in Chesa. I live in Chesa. You say you live. Your mom is great. But me, uplifting me, say we learn together.
Yes. We want to tell all MDC.
We learn together.
Shani,
we learn together.
As a political officer in the police office, I take everybody, second avenue, or even third, fourth, second,
Xavier, meet me one day.
50, 60, 70, 90.
Yeah, it has been tourism. From tourism to
Maitabo. Sakamunonji PC ani.
Regional sound station. Matsangura. And NaNyandoro.
Comrade Mpunya. ZANU-PF,
yes.
ZANU-PF. Almost ZANU-PF, ZANU-PF,
Rashingadea.
I'm there.
I'm taking zero name.
People is here touring.
hamuna kukwana nekuti hauzive mahure muna mutauni kana tichipira tikutaurire wakagara tichipira isusu haukwiri
Chinotimba. Where are the men from Canada? He wants to give you a suit. Yeah, we are there for you. Mr. Canada, Mr. Chinotimba, you are doing great for ourselves. We have a man from Canada. We have a man from Canada. He brings us.
One for proud to go. Bruce coming on over town. I want to do my brother. Hapana moja yanotor nyakukachikapa challenger Freelander Mercedes Benz
Madmanos. I don't know, it's Madmanos.
Mercedes Benz any color yanotor even got a red
right now
300
young guys Madmanos. Me is a Madmanos.
But
they are very wrong.
We recognize Madman.
We should correct on that statement. Rasta. We should correct on that statement. He is called Madman. Not Madman. I don't know.
We want to tell all MDC counterpart
is one of
this country. That is WWE Rastina. To shun their violence and as well go on with the wrong political ideas in terms of their structures. Also is, we are talking about protocols of this country that can buy us even Toyota Nyangweta. We want all people who don't have cars approach me tomorrow in the early morning. I'll give you any
Yeah, they know you.
Yeah,